Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be repairing this torn knot, and I'm going to be showing you a more easy professional way. Most people use sellotape as that and they just put it across, but that is not advisable because the knot becomes very ugly. So what you're going to need is an office glue and a small tipped brush. So start by laying a big sellotape on a piece of paper. This is to prevent the pieces of your knots sticking onto your paper, because remember we are using office paper glue. And then you're just going to note down where the paper has torn. You see that exposed part? That's where we're going to be focusing our glue. And also on the other note, just note down the torn part. Then lay them down in a way that it fits perfectly. And now you're going to take your brush, apply some glue on the tip of your soft brush, and then you're going to go ahead and apply the glue on one knot, paying close attention to the places where the paper has been torn and exposed, because that part should fit like a jigsaw to the other piece of knot that you have. And do the same to the other knot, paying close attention to the details as you did in the first knot. And then now we're going to lay them down onto the sellotape that we laid on the paper and fix them in a way that even after it has dried, no one can tell whether there was a tear through the knot. And then you're going to let it dry after you've done all this, maybe for an hour, depending on the temperature of your surrounding. Also remember to tape it down using some masking tape so that the pieces of paper stay in place and they dry where you've just put them. And then for an extra measure, you're just going to apply glue on top of the crack, just a slight layer of glue, just to ensure everything sticks into place. And then, as we said, just give it enough time to dry. Then we are going to come back and see the results. Okay, so this is after 1.5 hours, maybe to 2 hours. Now we are going to carefully remove the masking tape that was holding the pieces of knots in place. Then we are going to see whether the glue did its job. Okay. And now you can see our knot. There it is. And you can barely even notice whether there was any crack or tear within the knot, apart from the shiny part that you can see has glue. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.